Mag-advertise muna ako mga kaibigan, no? Mayroon tayong stock ng dark chocolate ngayon. First come, first serve, magtawag o mag-text lang kayo sa number na ito. 0916-90-00997. Ulitin ko, 0916-90-00997. Limited po ang stock, kaya first come, first serve basis. Hindi ako nagninegosyo nito. Umiinom lang ako araw-araw. Kaya ina-advertise ko para for your health. Subukan nyo. At para matulungan natin yung mga farmers ng Bukidnon na nagtatanim ng kakao. Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng Peanut Gallery Media Network. Tungkol ito sa legal battle between ABS-CBN and PGMN. Nako, panalo ang PGMN, nilampaso nila, tinalo nila ang ABS-CBN sa legal battle over copyright claims. Malala nyo yung nag-viral na 90 minutes video ng PGMN tungkol sa corruption ni Martin Romualdez, excuse me. Pinapa-take down pala yun ng ABS-CBN dahil sa copyright claims daw. Lumaban ng PGMN, ultimately, nanalo. Nanalo ang PGMN, labanan nila sa US. Okay, ito. Google has restored PGMN lead anchor CG Hero ultra-viral expose on documented budget anomalies under former House Speaker Martin Romualdez after processing PGMN's copyright counter notification against ABS-CBN takedown claims. Ganyan kasi sa YouTube eh. Pag parang may copyright, irereklamo ka. Ako, nawala ang isang YouTube channel ko dahil dyan eh. Copyright claim. Nung una, hindi pa ako marunong sa mga copyright. Yan, naka-copyright ako. Ngayon, marunong na ako. Wala na akong copyright. So yan, nirereklamo ng ABS-CBN, ang PGMN, yung video nila na exposing Martin Romualdez corruption anomaly. Wala, hindi sila nagtagumpay. Nung una, nati-take down, nawawala yung video na yun. But ngayon, dahil panalo na ang PGMN, mapapanood natin ulit dahil million views na yun. The restoration was confirmed in an email from YouTube copyright address to Peanut Gallery Media Network. Ito yung email. In accordance with the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Sa US na ito batas sa US. We've completed processing your counter notification. The following videos have been restored. Kasi nung una natanggal yung viral video na yon. Ngayon, restored na. Panalo ang PGMN. Panalo ang katotohanan. The following videos have been restored unless you have deleted them. Yon ang email ng YouTube sa PGMN. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act or DMCA is the United States copyright law that governs how online platforms handle takedown requests and counter notifications. In practical terms, it allows a copyright claimant to ask a platform to remove allegedly infringing material while also giving the uploader a formal legal route to challenge the removal if the uploader believes the material was taken down by mistake or misidentification. The process becomes central to PGMN's fight because the restored report examined well-documented budget irregularities in the House of Representatives during Romualdez speakership. PGMN said CG Hero built the investigation from Commission on Audit Reports, the General Appropriations Act, official budget documents, and published government figures. The video has already reached nearly 1 million views on YouTube and well over 5 million views on Facebook. When ABS-CBN began targeting the said investigation through copyright claims, PGMN maintained that the clips were used for commentary, documentation, context, and public interest reporting, with the investigation anchored on official records and original analysis. The copyright dispute unfolded across 3 takedowns. 3 beses na nag-request ang ABS-CBN na ma-takedown yung video na yun. 3 beses din lumaban ang PGMN. Its ABS-CBN claim triggered action against the same report in the Philippines. Each round forced PGMN to defend the investigation through the platform process while the video continued gaining national attention. The first claim removed the expose from YouTube. PGMN contested the takedown and argued that the report fell under fair use because the cited clips supported commentary, documentation, and analysis. The video returned, but the copyright pressure continued. ABS-CBN move again. The same report was hit by another copyright claim, forcing PGMN to challenge another takedown over the same investigation. The video returned again, but the repeated claims kept the report exposed to removal even after PGMN had already defended its use of the material. The third claim brought the most consequential takedown. YouTube removed the expose as it crossed the 1 million viewer marks, cutting off one of PGMN's most widely viewed investigation at the height of public attention. After ABS-CBN prevailed 3 times in the Philippines, PGMN mobilized its lawyers to write directly to YouTube in the United States through the DMCA counter notification process. The escalation placed the dispute under the U.S. legal framework that governs YouTube's handling of copyright removals. YouTube then completed the review and restored the video unless PGMN has deleted it. So, it's a legal victory ng PGMN over ABS-CBN. And magpasalamat tayo sa PGMN dahil nandyan, hindi siya mainstream media, social media arm siya na nag-i-expose ng katotohanan. Kaya saludo ako, mas lado akong sumasaludo sa PGMN sa panalo nilang ito. And ABS-CBN, ayaw niyang mailabas yung video na yan. Bakit? Di ba may, I don't know how true, 51% o basta may share pag-aari ng mga Romualdez ang ABS-CBN. Ganun ba yun? I am not sure. So, mabuhay ang PGMN, mabuhay ang free, anong tawag dito? Free speech na pilit nilang sinusupil kalayaan sa pamamayag at pagsasalita. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Kakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin niyo ang video na ito.
Sa balay sa Tabangan ug yero, so muna ni kadtong gitabang nga yero tungod kay kagahapon ulan man, so wala ko kaanhi, so ila na gyud gi atop, nagdali-dali sila atop kay ulan man, at least nga dili daw sila maulanan. So muna ni kadtong gitabang nga yero nga nakaatop na gyud sila, so napulihan na gyud tong ilang atop nga ilang gitangtang nga mga buslot na. So nindot na sad kay nakaatop na sila sa gitabang.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga gihatagan mi og sin nga nakaatop na gid mi, nakasilong na mi kay ang among balay wala na naman. Sa salamat mi sa naghatag sa sin. Kay salamat.
Kagahapon tungod kay gaulan naman, so nagdali-dali na mos pag-atop.
Oh, kanay gabasa man mi.
Oo, so excited kayo mga natagaan og yero.
Excited mi kaayo kay kuan dili na mi karon mabasa og bisag dagan na kay ulan.
Mhm.
Sa nagpasalamat mi sa Ginoo kay natagaan mi sin nakatop na mi dili na mi mabasa.
Mhm.
Ni nga taba nga sa matagan mi mautruan. Salamat kaayo.
Salamat.